5 GitHub repos are exploding right now, and number 1 will change how you code forever. PostHog is an open-source platform that gives developers every tool to build self-driving products. It captures auto-captured events, session recordings, and lets you run experiments, all from one dashboard. Install via Docker, add the snippet, and start seeing user behavior instantly in Slack or web. Code Review Graph builds a persistent map of your codebase so AI tools only read what matters. It slashes token usage by giving AI assistants precise context for code reviews and large repo workflows. Install with pip, run the CLI to index your repo, then connect your AI assistant via MCP. This curriculum packs 503 lessons across 20 phases to take you from AI basics to shipping agents. Every lesson ships a reusable artifact, prompts, skills, agents, MCP servers, so you build while you learn. Start at Phase 1, follow the roadmap, and complete hands-on exercises that become your portfolio. airllm lets you run 70B parameter models on a single 4 GB GPU without quantization or pruning. It dramatically reduces inference memory so you can run massive LLMs locally on consumer hardware. Install via pip, import airllm, load a model, and generate text with a few lines of code. The Ultimate Learning Repo, step-by-step guides to recreate everything from databases to operating systems from scratch. You pick a project, like a Redis clone or a neural network, and follow a guided implementation. Browse the list, choose a tutorial, and start coding. Each guide is a complete learning path. That's today's top 5. Smash subscribe for daily GitHub gems that keep you ahead of the curve.